Pumpkin seed.
Did you know that pumpkin seeds are not just a Halloween treat? They are packed with amazing benefits that can boost your health in many ways, including but not limited to prostate health. Let's dive in. Benefit 1. Digestion. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of fiber, helping to promote a healthy digestive system and prevent constipation. Benefit 2. Disease prevention. These wonder seeds are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body against harmful free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Benefit 3. High in protein. Pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making them ideal for vegetarian and vegan diets. Benefit 4. Healthy bones. They contain essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron, which are important for maintaining healthy bones, teeth, and overall energy levels. Benefit 5. Heart health. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which can support heart health and lower cholesterol levels. Benefit 6. Blood sugar. Consuming pumpkin seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great snack option for those with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Benefit 7. Anti-inflammatory. Pumpkin seeds are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Benefit 8. Sleep. They are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that can improve sleep quality and promote relaxation. Benefit 9. Skin and hair. Finally, these little powerhouses are also a good source of vitamins, including vitamin E and B vitamins, which are essential for healthy skin and hair. So, whether you roast them, sprinkle them on salads, or include them in your favorite recipes, adding pumpkin seeds to your diet can provide a wide range of health benefits. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.